In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Uber Cash not working. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have Uber Cash on your Uber account and you are trying to use it for Uber Eats deliveries or pickup, or even a ride on the standard Uber app, but it is not appearing upon going to checkout or when you finish requesting your ride, I'm gonna show you a process that you can reproduce to make sure that everything is set up properly. The first thing that I would suggest to do is to go over to your account page at the bottom right corner of the screen. In here, go over to your wallet. Make sure that you have Uber credits or necessary amount of balance on your Uber Cash wallet. So at the top of the screen, Uber credits will be displayed, and at the bottom, all payment methods currently attributed to your account will also appear. But all you have to do in here is tap Add Funds and follow the instructions to add Uber Cash if you need them. So go ahead, choose the payment method that you wish to use, and make sure that you have enough Uber Cash before proceeding to checkout or before requesting a ride. By ensuring that it appears here, you are going to be able to find it upon proceeding to finish your order. So once you have it set up and you know for sure that you have balance, go over to your cart and proceed to checkout or request your ride. So usually this is the screen that you should see, and you have the option to use Uber Cash here. However, if you don't see the option available to you, all that you have to do is tap the payment method currently set up under the total, where you can see the price of the delivery fee, the subtotal, service fee, and upon tapping the payment method, immediately Uber Cash is going to be available here. So you have your standard payment methods, and as long as you tick this little icon or box to the right side, Uber Cash payments are going to be enabled. So this is all you have to do. A lot of users don't see the automatic pop-up, and as long as you go into the payment options manually and you tick this, it is going to use Uber Cash on your next ride or order. So just make sure that that option is ticked and you will be good to go. Sometimes I also want to make a disclaimer. Even though you might not see this option or the option to select Uber Cash might not appear, by default, it is going to use the balance of your Uber Cash first before other payment methods. So if you tried everything and you still don't see this option, you can just try placing your order, and by default, it should automatically use the Uber Cash first. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Uber Cash not working. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.